How to turn on Do Not Disturb mode on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to put Do Not Disturb mode on WhatsApp. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Also turn on the bell icon to get notified about our future updates. Now, let's begin. So the first thing that you need to check is your WhatsApp, and if you head over to your WhatsApp settings from here, and from here if you tap on notification, there is no active option to turn on the do not disturb modes specifically for WhatsApp. But what you can do is mute your chats. So if there is any particular chats that has been bugging you or disturbing you, what you can do is long press on the chat, tap on this mute notification app option, and then from here you can choose 8 hours, 1 week, or always. So tap on OK, and your chat will be muted. But this does not necessarily turn off notification for all of your WhatsApp chats. For that, you will need to turn on the DND mode for your entire phone. So just head over to your settings first, and once you are on your settings, scroll down to notifications section, and from here you head to sounds and vibrations. If you scroll down, now just tap on do not disturb mode, and from here you can turn it on. So once you do that, your do not disturb mode will be turned on and your notification and calls will be muted. So that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.